Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another next Christmas cracker to share with you, and it is the Let It Glow skincare cracker. This retails for £15 and it has a value of £69. I've unboxed a few of these on my channel already and I've got another one to show you. I'll add a direct link to this one down below in my description, as well as a link to the full beauty box page where you'll see all the limited editions. They've got quite a few Christmas beauty crackers and some new limited edition beauty boxes as well, so you'll find a link there. Plus you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites and any other giveaways I've got currently running, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, so let's get on to opening up then. Glow skincare cracker. First up we've got Clarins. This is the Beauty Flash Balm for tightening and radiance boosting. And there's 15 mils here. This can be used on its own after your skincare instead of like foundation if you want a nice natural look, or I'd imagine you can apply it underneath makeup or even add it to your makeup. Whenever I've tried it, I've just applied it onto my skin on its own. So it's supposed to increase hydration, tighten, smooth, and just make your skin look better than what it does. It does feel nice on my skin. And yeah, got a smell. It does have a smell. There we've got Oscar London. This is Renaissance Cleansing Gel, Illuminating Vitamin Melting Cleanser. There's 35 mils here. And this is bright orange, if I remember rightly. Yeah. There, you can just see a little bit there. This is nice. I've tried this numerous times, seen it a lot in beauty boxes a couple of years ago, so yeah, I do really like it. Massage onto dry skin until melted until an oil. Add a little water to emulsify and remove with warm water or damp muslin cloth. It's got a cleanser. Then we've got Pixie Skin Treats. This is Rose Ceramide Cream, Intensive Moisturizer. There's 15 mils there. It's antioxidant rich and deeply hydrating, and it helps to improve skin's elasticity while protecting it from environmental stresses. So we've got a Rose Ceramide Moisturiser there. And lastly we've got Esper. This is an Overnight Glow Enzyme Peel. Overnight Peel for glowing, refined and replenished skin. There's 30 mils here. For best results, use in the evening, massage 3 to 4 pumps into skin, stopping as soon as peel turns clear, and cleanse as normal in the morning. So in the Skincare Glow Cracker, we've got an overnight enzyme peel treatment, we've got a vitamin melting cleanser, we've got a Rose Ceramide Moisturiser, and we've got a Beauty Flash Balm. I think there's some nice products there, some nice decent sizes as well. Yeah, I think this is a nice one. I'd love to hear your thoughts as always. What do you think? Have you bought any of these next crackers for yourself, or are you going to buy any for Christmas, for friends or family? Or are you thinking, nah, I'm just watching? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.